place. The world goes on, you know, with or without you. History, that stuff that came before you, happens anyway. You do matter. Don't ever forget it. Why else would life make space for you? Space no more or less, no more or less, but never have your place. You have your place. Life goes on, you know, with or without you. The Earth, in her orbit, spins our nights into days. Turns seasons into years, while we weave the cloth of word and deed into robes called memory. Memory. The flowers never stop. Flowers never. The leaves never stop falling. The earth keeps returning. Never-ending thinking into being. Life, that animus you call you, goes on.